With just a few searches, your new patients could be a click away from meeting you. But the vast majority of searchers won't read past the first page. In fact, the first 5 organic search results account for most of the clicks. While there are certainly SEO tactics that span every industry, SEO for doctors incorporates several tactics that must be tailored to healthcare. Even if you are a small practice or completely brand new, crafting and fine-tuning your SEO strategy can help boost your rankings on Google. So why invest in SEO strategies for doctors? The short answer is you get more website visitors and a high return on investment, especially in the long run. The long answer is while traditional online advertising can often be a great option for your practice, the truth is that you need a blend of both paid and organic strategies. Organic strategies, like SEO, allow potential patients to find you online naturally through a Google search, for instance. Without those options, you could be missing out on potential leads that are easy to capture. The flip side is that SEO strategies can take more time to refine and see results from. If your site is new, you likely won't reach 200,000 visitors overnight. Consistency and patience are key to seeing results. If you're looking for a way to improve your search engine rankings while keeping up with a hectic workday, let's chat. To book an exploratory call with our marketing and SEO experts, send us a message online or text or call us at 305-702-0112.